Isko Moreno for a variety of reasons. His dashing good looks, his undeniable wit, and his compassionate heart. Isko started making a name for himself in the 1990s as a matinee idol. He starred in various TV shows and films, making hearts flutter on his way to stardom. From the entertainment realm, he delved into the world of politics and brought about meaningful impact and positive change. Whether as an actor or a public servant, Isko never fails to carry himself with unparalleled finesse. He's a beacon of dedication and excellence. And now that he's indeed back in the spotlight, he will surely captivate the audience with his timeless charm and versatile talent. He's ready to inspire more people through his craft. Everyone's overjoyed to witness him continue his shining journey with Sparkle. Congratulations, Isko Moreno.
Actually, pinag-uusapan namin yung win-win kanina. Parang atrasado yung dating ko, ha? Nahiya naman ako gusto na ako. Since ko yung sa mga katawan. Pero alam, ang galing ng Sparkle, ha? Yung merong Sparkle. Bagay na bagay sila. Congratulations sa Sparkle.
Kaya ka po kasunod doon kasi na-late lang, pero kasama talaga siya doon.
Kami yung extension. Yung past.
Yung pinapanood mo yung journey mo, kasi nakita natin yung mga pictures mo noong, hindi ko na sabihin yung mga dekada at mga taon. Kahapon lang. Anong pakiramdam ng pinapanood mo yan?
One, I'm always grateful to God. Now, without Him, bro, I am nobody. Nowhere. I always believe in first and foremost. But I'm always grateful also to GMA, to the Jimenez, to the Duabi, to Goson, the top executive of GMA, through a concept created and collaborated with Creators, the afternoon show, that's entertainment. I was given an opportunity, so with that, talagang kaya nung pumirma ako sa Sparkle, sabi ko nga noon, it's good to be home. Good night.
Yes!
And with that, I would like to thank Sparkle family, Annette, Mama Annette, Joy, Tracy, si Will, hanggang madaling araw, ka-text ko yun. Napakasipa. I love you, Will. Napakasipa. Ito din kahit Sparkle again, nagulat ako. Ano yung picture talaga? Buti na lang, hindi kayo nakita sa cellphone. Ano, sa cellphone kanina, kinakabahan na ako.
Dahil nabanggit mo yun, mamaya-maya gano'n na yan. Siguro lang.
Again, thank you, GMA. Thank you, Sparkle. It's, if I may borrow, kanina may nagsalita ditong beauty queen. Saluta ko lang sino sa kanila. This is a way of reinventing myself again in showbiz, my first love, and an industry that gave me opportunity to better myself in a particular field, and it cannot be denied. It catapulted me to another career. It helped me. Marami rin naman ako. Now I'm full-time here. Hopefully, actually, taping kami sa kabila doing TikTok Lab as guest co-host. Thank you, TikTok Lab. Dalas-dalasan mo, wala naman akong ginagawa din.
Pero dahil dyan, Yorme, you spoke a little bit about your future. How excited are you about your future with the talent management? Anything that you would like to look forward to or unlock in that future with Fun?
Well, I'm looking forward for more work, of course. When I'm into something, I always focus on myself. I am happy with Black Rider. Congratulations, GMA7 Kabuso. Galing ng Black Rider. The GMA News and Public Affairs. Congratulations.
US Tour!
At kakanta raw kami sa US Tour. Siguro ba alam kakakantayin nyo? Baka 80 Brady Heart lang mapanood nyo. At dahil inside. So, we might go to US and Canada. More or less. More or less. And hopefully to the sister station, we might have some kind of show also. Busy naman, awa ng Diyos. Grateful. Maraming ginagawa. At maraming pang gagawin. I was told by Spark.
Yorme, maraming salamat po.
Oy, thank you, thank you.
We are so excited pa po for what's to come. Congratulations.
Ginawa niyo. Thank you, thank you.
And I'm sure, of course, we're live streaming right now. Nabanggit niyo ang US Tour, Canada Tour. Meron tayo mga kapuso na nanonood dyan ngayon. So, abangan nyo.
Mga kapuso natin sa Amerika, sa Canada. At tabayanan niyo kami dyan. Darating kami dyan. Nila Alden. Sila Alden.
Julia Alden.
I'll see you there in Canada and US. California.
Yorme, maraming salamat po, Mayor. Salamat po, Yorme.
Congratulations.